Before we play this right here, I need all the bad babs on the dance floor. They move? All right, let's go. Down, turn around, pick a bell and got you. Baby, I got you. Oh shit, hold up.
Sumigaw ka! Mabuko! Lakad-lakad, yung Alexane! Tingala! Balik dito! Balik! Dito, balik! Tingala! Dito ka dito! Huwag ka pumikit! Tingala! Inhale. Dito ka marap. Oh, inhale. Ngiti. Inhale.
May pikit eh.
Huwag gamit yung bibig. Gilong. Inhale. Bibig gamit panlabas. Inhale. Inhale. Gilong gamit ha. Huwag bibig ha. Inhale. Gamit bibig. Inhale. Malalim.
City Hall. Intro. City Government. Okay. Office of the City Hall Mayor. Masabi mo, dito ka na sa City Hall. Wala ako pa. Ikaw. Gamigin. Masabi mo. Sabi mo ngayon. Wala kang body mo sa EMAC. Wala yun. Ha? Hilay. Yes. Ito na kami sa airport terminal tayo. Oh, tara na guys. Salamat kayo kay tatay. Libre.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you tatay. Tay, thank you tay. Tara na.
Sa ano nyo ha?
Scripted ah.
Huwag kayong paglalagala sa ano ha?
Tay, wala nang bayad yun?
Alin?
Yun? Libre na?
Sinabi ko eh.
Ha?
May bayad siya.
May bayad ba? Ay, kala namin libre. Kala ko sa porta to. Tay, ano? Okay, na kami tay. Thank you very much. Check in. Migration.
Yeah, wait.
Baba na kami sa plane, guys. Sheesh. Mickey boy.
Kaya naman for working harassment party guests ng Friday na increase.
Touchdown, Thailand. Sheesh! Ano naiwan na?
Puting ball.
Teka.
Derek Jess.
So yun, papasok na kami sa Sriracha Mall. May Pacquiao. Vlog ka rin. Hey.
So yun guys, dito kami.
Ganda ng ball nila guys. Quality.
Oh, block oh. Kalbo. Clean up na yan. Punong-puno ko na yata eh.
Siya tayo sa taas. And guys, UDO Sriracha. Let's get it on. Register tayo. Let's go. Yan yung vlog na maglalaban guys. So, syempre ito yung atin. So, and guys, daming batang dancer sa Thailand. North Caloocan, Barangay 183. Sotika. Sotika.
Sotika.
Thank you.
We need to take the opportunity to thank everyone. Thank you all for coming. It's been a fantastic event. Thank you for everyone, all of the staff, our DJs, our MCs, our judges, all of the hard work that goes into making this happen. Thank you all. Thank you for having me. Lady, Jarvie, everybody, please, let's let them know we're thankful. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Weekend. Next year, 2025.